think, like in many different companies, digital transformation is not associated with one specific person in charge within the company. So I think within Yamaha, it is being approached on many different levels. I think typically it comes down to getting the right people next to each other. I think that's typically a big challenge for a lot of companies, to combine new technologies with the older systems which have been around for many years typically. In that case, Yamaha is no exception. We suffer the exact same challenges, so to say. But I think in general, if you have your old systems properly maintained, if you got all your data stored centrally, then there are a lot of technologies out in the market that you can use to connect new technologies to your existing systems. I don't think there's a digital culture. It's not really like a definition that you can apply. However, I think it's very dependent on the kind of company you're in, whether your company culture is more digitally minded. And when you look at Yamaha, of course, we have been producing a number of products for a very long period. And because business is also changing, it also requires a change of culture, of course. I think Yamaha has a digital culture, or at least it's in a transition of becoming one. We all are very aware that we need to change the way we are thinking, change the way we are working. I think the very first and most important part will always be culture. It's the business culture that essentially defines whether it can be a success or not. And from within the culture, essentially there will have to be proper processes. There has to be an entire organization that really supports the transformation that you're going through.